Welcome back to MKE Gadgets. If you're like me and you go to Harbor Freight, you've accumulated quite a few of these tape measures. In the last few years, every time I drive by Harbor Freight, I pick up one of these storage boxes, and they're great for hardware in the shop. Whenever I purchase a storage box, I like to use a coupon for 20% off and a free tape measure. And you can see I accumulated 6 of them here. I have one in my truck, one in my garage, one in my basement, and many I have given away to friends and family. In my shop of 1,000 square feet, I have 6 tape measures. One at the bandsaw, one at the lathe and mill, one for welding, one at the chop saw, one at the table saw, and one here at my table, my workbench. I have them all labeled, and that's really nice for returning them back to where they belong. But a lot of times you'd end up on the floor, knock them, or they just fall off. I really had no good way of storing them till now. This is my first try making one. The 2 holes in the back are for set screws, and the hole up front is for a driver to go in there, and you can screw them, and you can screw them down. This to my chop saw stand and put the tape measure in there. But I didn't like it. I didn't like the fact that this was being pushed down. This is a second design, and it has a slot in each end, so the tape measure can go in there either way. This is my third design. This has holes in the bottom, so you can mount it on the side of a table, or you can mount it on the top of a table. So when I print these, I print with supports in all the holes, and this stops the hole from being egg-shaped. I have found the easiest way to knock these out is with a center punch. I use this all the time. One side, one end is a center punch, and the other end is a nail set. And with the nail set end, place it on there, and just hit with a spring. Falls right out. You can do it on a small end just as easy. Like most of my projects, first thing I do, I make a model in Fusion 360. Make a drawing, send it to my printer, and then print the part. All 6 of these around the shop, if one's empty, I know a tape measure goes there. This is MKE Gadgets. I hope you found this interesting. I'll put a link down below to Thingiverse if you want to print one of these out. Thanks for watching. Please share this with your friends, and we'll see you tomorrow.